Hello everybody, this is Austin Indo here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted files quickly and easily, guys. So I'll be giving the links in the description below, so please do check out the link, and afterward just click on download free version. After you click on that, make sure that you click on free download and make sure to click on download over here. So the file will be downloaded, and you can recover any file which you have by mistakenly deleted. So yeah, let's just click yes and let's start the installation. And it will look somewhat like this. So make sure that everything is checked over here and just click on install. And it will install, and just uncheck this and make sure that you run the application. So after installing the application, it will look somewhat like this. So make sure to click on next and mention your file. What is your file type? It might be a picture, music, documents, video, compressed, or emails. If you're not sure, you can just select all files. In my case, I'll just select pictures for the example, and I'll just select a specific location, which is my C drive. You can just select anything what you want, or you can just select I'm not sure, and it will search everywhere on the computer. So click next, and if you enable deep scan, it will just take a lot of time. It might even take an hour also. So for my case, I'll just uncheck this, and also if you want, you can just enable this and just start this. So it will start scanning my whole C drive and check for photos in my computer which are deleted. So these are all the files which are deleted over here. So so if you click on the advanced mode over here, it will look somewhat like this. And even if you like, you can also select here pictures, so it is one of the same thing. So as you can see, guys, there are three colors mentioned over here. That is yellow, red, and green. Now make a note that green files are at its excellent quality, which can be recoverable. Yellow files are a poor quality, which might be overwritten, or might be safe as well, so it's a 50-50 chance. And red files are unrecoverable, so you cannot recover those files. So as you can see, guys, there are a lot of files which are detected. And also what happens is, when you actually delete a file, it actually doesn't deletes the file. The computer keeps your file, and when your actually drive is full, with your naked eye you cannot see on your device space. You might be thinking that the storage is getting emptied, like after you delete a file, but actually it keeps it safe, and after the drive is full, it actually overwrites the file. So these very poor files are actually very at its very past actually. These files were very old actually, and that is why those files cannot be recovered, and these files have been overwritten. So what I'll show you is, I'll just click on this PNG file. I'll just check over here. If you want, you can select multiple files and make sure you click on recover over here. And after you click on recover, select any file where you want to save your file and just click yes, and as you can see, the operation has been completed. So let's go towards our desktop, and as you can see, guys, my file has been recovered over here. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now, guys. I'm Austin Indo here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, everybody.